activated toe curls. Yeah, this is good. This looks good.
Oh yeah, man. My right foot feels amazing. Definitely feel like I'm so close to just making like be able to pass my energy completely through. Because I can feel exactly where on my like every time I do any stretches now, I know I can feel like all of this just like pulling apart. But like it's much more like in the beginning it was so murky. Now I can really feel like okay, it just needs that love every day. You know, like exactly where it needs to be stretched. You know.
Right.
So.
Yeah.
Oof.
How does your scar tissue area feel?
How does it feel right now? I'm doing this exercise.
Mm-hmm.
I actually feel a lot of my. I actually feel like a really strong sensation in my foot for the first time right now.
Mm-hmm.
Like all of this is moving. Like this part right here is actually moving. Like the sliding on the top now.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep.
But I can feel it. Oh wow, in my glutes like a ton. Wow. Sometimes you just gotta sleep and just like let it just not fucking train. And sometimes your body just like feels great. Like feels like when you go back, it just does all the learning without you doing anything.
Yeah. That's why like you see some elite athletes, they move slow, they're lazy, but then they perform. It's the same thing. Like you're building this fascial connection. You're gonna become more relaxed because you have confidence, and everything just come to you.
It's actually one of the most zen exercises ever.
Yes.
Oh wow. Yeah. I definitely feel it in my butt today.
Good.
High in my glutes too.
Very high.
Yeah.
Good. Excellent. I guess on right now you're feeling one side, the other side is not as strong, right?
Not as strong yet. We'll see it on the sides today.
And rest. Very good.
I feel like so this one I'm trying to pass that force down to my. I can tell that it's stretching my the ankle area still on my right side. Because before on this side I can tell like oh my weight is just resting on the entire back fascia, and this one I can like okay I'm trying to pull myself into that position, and it's just getting stuck right there. But I can definitely feel it more. So.
Right.
Literally no padding underneath my wood floors. And then well, it's like for a while, like, honestly, like I hated walking around my house. Like just super uncomfortable. My knees would hurt, but like now, like I feel fine. Like my knees don't hurt anymore. It's amazing. And, like this whole area was burning since the Hyperarch hop. So I was burning a lot. But I felt very comfortable in that position, especially my right. My right outside. I feel like that's really like just being able to just stay in the Hyperarch like pretty easily. This feels really nice. And then I sometimes once in a while I feel like it will put my shoulder and my arm into like a perfect spot where I feel like oh like my whole entire body is very connected. Not all the time, but like, there'll be certain moments where I can just suddenly feel that like oh that whole entire thing is like one. You know.
Yep.
Yeah. All right.
Perfect. All right. Now,
you hear me?
Yep. There we go. Here we go. Good.
Oh, it feels good.
Good.
Yeah.
You did it. That means it's working. Good.
Right. So like now, I feel like when I'm in this position with my legs like this, like yoga positions like that too, I can feel I'm able to use my weight and draw it into the floor on my right side a lot more. I feel way more balanced when I'm on the floor, like when I'm like in any of these positions, you know.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot easier now, you know.
Yep.
For sure.